A quick one for you today, ClickChauffeur drivers. Follow me if you need to configure a web page redirect for your booking module. Why bother doing so? Setting a redirection can help track clients and enhance their post-booking experience. Now onto the how. Let's dive into the ClickChauffeur dashboard. If that speaks to you, go to the HTML integration and then look for the label redirection URL after booking. In this section, simply input the URL. It can be mywebsite.com or whatever your web page is. And once you've input the desired URL, click on the Save button as usual to apply the changes. A pro tip for you, community. Using a redirection URL can help you track clients, especially if you're using Google Ads. Why? Because anyone visiting that page has completed a booking. So the recap of what we just did. Now you've done successfully configuring a web page redirect for your booking module, making it easier to track and engage with your clients post-booking. This holds the potential to greatly enhance your client tracking and marketing efforts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep your clients informed and your business running smoothly.